Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this FunFlix Mini Projector with 12,000 lumen 1080p HD Portable Projector. It's a projector with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and it supports up to 4K. Home theater, it's a movie projector and is compatible with television sticks, smartphones, laptops, HDMI, USB, and AV. And of course, pair it with your smartphone or your tablet, and on the fly you can project. With this projector, you can beam your movies and your pictures to a big wall. The FunFlix Mini Portable Projector with the latest 5G Wi-Fi module, which enables us fast to synchronize our smartphone, iOS or Android, screen. That means we can synchronize the entire smartphone or tablet screen with it. No hassle of extra adapters and dongles. I tried it. You will see it in that video. I tried it with an Apple device, and I does not need any kind of app. It works on the fly. Really awesome and easy. The projector will generate an FunFlix Wi-Fi network, and you can connect there, and of course then you can beam up your movies and your pictures to a big wall if you like. No hassle of extra adapters and dongles. With the built-in latest Bluetooth 5.0 chip, it works with Bluetooth too. The RD-882 projector has wide compatibility. It can connect to various Bluetooth speakers and headphones too. We easily get wonderful sound experience. Of course, the FunFlix device itself has speakers too, stereo sound. The FunFlix Wi-Fi Bluetooth projector utilizes the bright light-emitted diode light and an LCD display technology with 1922 1080p high resolution and remarkable 12,000 lumens brightness level and a high dynamic contrast ratio of 12,000 to 1. The FunFlix RD-882 portable movie projector offers a 50 inches up to 300 inches display size, clear and delicate HD images, which can provide us with a more comfortable and ultimate visual experience. And the FunFlix portable Wi-Fi Bluetooth projector equipped with an advanced built-in speaker system to provide excellent hi-fi sound quality. This outdoor projector pumps out sound all around without external speakers. The projector has built in the latest high-efficiency cooling system with good cooling effect and noise lower than 35 decibel. And this projector offers a projection size from 50 inch to 300 inch. For example, in your living room, it is the most televisions out there is 55 inches. This is the standard way today. But here you can start with 50. Oh yeah. With 50 inches, you have to be 1.5 meters away from the screen, from the wall. And if you like to have 300 inches, no prop, you go 3.5 meters. The distance of it comes from 1.5 meter up to 3.7 meter. This portable projector with zoom function and manual Keystone Correction ±50 degrees, we can adjust the projected image from 75% to 100 without moving the projector. The RD-882 Wi-Fi Bluetooth projector supports 3 projection methods: ceiling mount, table mount, and wall mount. I like really much to mount it. That's awesome, because if you have a mount, you can attach it there, this projector, and then you can adjust it like you need it. Otherwise, you can attach it on a ceiling, for example. That's a good idea. Attach it to a ceiling, then go to your options and make a rotation 180 degrees. That's possible in the menu, and then you can have a projector on the ceiling, and this project the image to the wall. Really cool. That's a good project. We're using upgraded temperature control technology in that device. It adjusts the speed according to the temperature in real time and minimize the energy consumption and extend the bulb life to 80,000 hours. Most projectors out there have only 50,000 hours. The projector is integrated with a variety of interfaces such as USB, Universal Serial Bus, HDMI, and AV and 3.5mm audio to facilitate connection with personal computer, PlayStation, television stick, USB, etc. to expand our home entertainment for more fun. And this projector supports connecting the Fire TV stick, for example, and Roku stick to play videos such as Amazon Prime Video, Disney Plus, Netflix, and Hulu. Or we can use an HDMI to connect the computer web page to play their videos, no problem. Apps like Amazon Prime Video, Netflix, Disney Plus, and Hulu are HDCP copyrighted, of course. So the developer of this device does not have them on the device itself. But if you connect another device, that can be your smartphone too, because Android and iOS supports these apps, and you start this app, you can look via Disney Plus, Netflix, and Hulu, etc., on your screen, on your big screen, as you like. So you see, you are free, and you can use this FunFlix device easily. The FunFlix native is 1080p Wi-Fi projector with Bluetooth function. It is worthwhile for us to have one to enjoy our home entertainment. And as a gift to our friends, kids, lovers, and family members anytime. This portable home and outdoor movie projector, but take care it's not waterproof, uses an advanced light-emitted diode light source, high-quality materials, and exact manufacturing technologies. It supports 4K, and with a true native of 1920 to 1080p resolution and 12,000 to 1 dynamic contrast ratio, and built-in 5-watt hi-fi stereo sound system, supports multi-device connection and multi-format playback. That's all you can use in that small, awesome projector. And it supports not only one Wi-Fi band, no, it's dual band, 2.4 and 5 GHz band, no problem. This wireless display connection means faster speed and wider range. It supports both of it. That means if you have at home a 5 GHz network, no problem. This device can handle it. If you have a 2.4 GHz network, no problem. This device can handle it. You have to connect into this Wi-Fi network, and then you can use it. The projector can both of it. The upgraded Wi-Fi technology also allows wireless connection and projection using our phones, personal hotspots in a Wi-Fi free environment, for example. And up to 300 inches. Wow, large screen. That's big. That's awesome big. We adjust the Keystone Correction to make the image rectangle. Adjust the focus wheel to make it clear. Job's done. It's really easy. And we have multiple installation methods. To meet different positions required a different install. The HD projector supports tripod mounting, table mounting, ceiling mounting, rear mounting. What you like mounting. And you can have a zoom function, built-in speakers, and an easy-to-operate operation system. It's easy with iOS. We connect our projector and the iPhone to the same wireless network. We select iOS Cast in the projector interface. And we go to screen mirroring on our phone, for example, and select the corresponding projector name to connect. The Wi-Fi connection is successful and we can start and have fun. If we have an Android Wi-Fi connection, we connect our projector and the Android phone to the same wireless network. We open the projector home menu. We select Miracast in the projector interface and we press OK to enter into the interface. We make sure that the Android device has the wireless projector function. We select the wireless projector on our Android device and find the correct name and device, and then we can connect it. After successfully connection, our Android page will be displayed on the projector. The display technology is an LCD. The native resolution is 1920 to 1080. The throw ratio is 300 inch at 20 feet, 150 inches in at 15 feet, 120 inches at 12 feet, 100 inches at 10 feet, and 70 inches at 7 feet, and 50 inches at 5 feet. So you can see you have a big range of possibility. The dynamic contrast ratio is 12,000 to 1. The aspect ratio is 16 to 9 and 4 to 3, as you like. The lamp life is more than 80,000 hours of lifetime. The Keystone Correction, manually, by using the lever with it on the device, we can make a vertical correction plus minus 15 degrees. Connectivities, HDMI, USB, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi 3 mirroring, and AV. The speakers comes with 5 watt. Bluetooth is 5.0. The fan is low. The fan is 35 decibel loud. Mounting type, tripod, table mount, ceiling mount, rear mount, as you like. The projection method is front or rear. And you have a lot of language you can choose out of the menu. You can see FunFlix makes our home entertainment system better here. This is the awesome, I think it's really awesome, FunFlix Mini Projector with 12,000 lumen 1080p HD projector by FunFlix. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.